Living Life Homestead, and haven't been on for a while. My weight loss sort of stalled, and I've been going up and down for about the same 5, 6, 7 pounds for a while. So I figured I am stalled at that, so how about I share a little bit of what else I'm doing. I'm getting ready for garden season, and doing so means bringing this big baby out, which has all of my seeds in it, plus a whole lot more that I have up on my computer area. And I wanted to share what I have here that are going to be probably, or possibility, or may share with y'all on what I will be planting, because it is very possible that we may be getting the property that we've been talking about wanting to get, and if we do, then everything has to be container grown, at least till we get down there and started. But we're hoping to be down there sometime in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Keep your fingers crossed, say a little prayer, do some good thinking, and hopefully we're going to see this. So I wanted to share a little of my madness, because this here is part of what's going on, and I will sit down and go over everything and show you as I'm going through it what it is exactly that I'm doing and my thinking, and about what I'm thinking that might be growing, and maybe how much. That again is, that is one of those things that, and I've even asked those questions, is it depends on the number of people in your house, if you like those foods, how often you eat them, how much you eat of them, on how much you should grow, and how much you should can or freeze or dehydrate. So without further ado, let's get to looking at what I got. Okay, well first I want to show you, I had to bring some dirt in so I can finish planting my garlic, and it is frozen, and so I need it to thaw out, and then once it does, then I'm going to break it down and sift it, and then I'll be able to put some of my garlic in it. This here, I have already planted some, as you can see the little pookies coming out, and then I planted these in some dirt in a shallow container just so they will have a place to be and feel the dirt and feel the liquid and want to be growing. So as soon as I have this container going and then another one, I'll be able to have all my garlic growing in containers, and that is what I plan on doing. I plan on doing the same thing for my onions, using containers to grow as many onions as I can for this year, so I can braid them and put them up for the fall and winter season, and hopefully have enough to last me for a good long time. May not last me, because this is going to be my first year doing onions, so it may not last me till next spring, but we'll see. So far, I have gotten several types of tomatoes, which I will make another video and go over all the different types that I have. Cherry tomatoes and regular tomatoes. I have melons. I have peppers. I have surprise seeds. I'm not sure what they are, so I'm going to put them in a container and grow them. I have corn. I have my white patty pan squash. I'm growing light red kidney beans this year, so that I can preserve those. I am growing green beans, and I'm hoping to do them in pints instead of quarts, since it's just me and my husband. And a friend of mine, Connie, had given me some scarlet runner beans last year. I never got a chance to grow them, so I'm definitely going to be growing those. I also have rutabagas, kohlrabi. Let's see, what do we got? Some more rutabagas, some green onions, lots of lettuce, some loofahs. I have seeds that I have not went through here. sunflowers. These are carrots, radishes, and these are roses. And then I have peas that I'm not sure. I may or may not grow those. I don't know yet. And then possibly some cucumbers, but I don't know. My cucumbers did not turn out well the year before last. I may dump them all out and try again, give them to my chickens and ducks, but we'll see. I have several containers of seeds I need to go through, so how about we sift through those so we can see what exactly it is that I'm thinking that we might be planting possibly this year in my container gardens and hopefully in our outside gardens down at the property. Okay, so I hope you can see this okay. I do have a lot of seeds, and I'm definitely not growing them all this season. I have some Sierra Gold. These are cantaloupe I'm not growing. I have some more melon that I had saved before. I'm not. I have some eggplants. I don't know. I'm still debating. I believe these are pumpkins, and I will probably put some of those out just to see if they will take. I have some more lettuce, so we'll put that over there. We have cauliflower and cabbage. We will put those, over there. Some more watermelons. Not going to be growing those. I will try the broccoli, and I will be trying this cabbage. And those have to go over there. And I will show you my madness on my thinking on how I separate everything. And yes, I have everything in containers, and they are kept in cold storage for the fall and the winter time, so that way I don't like putting them, I don't have the room to put them into a freezer or refrigerator, so this is the way I have to do it. I have, those are not going, those are pumpkin seeds. I have a whole lot more pumpkin seeds. I have some beets that I might grow. Red romaine lettuce that I might grow. Let's see, what all do we have? We have some more broccoli. Paris Island romaine lettuce. Purple top rutabaga. I think I'm going to save those. Some more cauliflower. I will save those. And some more iceberg lettuce. I will save those. Bring it up just a little bit so you can see a little bit more of what's going on here. So yeah, I have some more pumpkins there. I have some green peppers, so I will put those in our peppers. These tomatoes, probably not. The cayenne peppers, you can't see those. Maybe I brought it up too far. No, the scarlet nantes carrot, I may do those. Definitely not doing the pickling cucumber, but I am doing the yellow Spanish onion. Yay! I did not realize I had that. So those are going over into the yes pile. And then, of course, I have some cherry bell radish, and I will probably not be doing those. Habanero, I will probably grow those. I have quite a few tomatoes, and we had decided that we are only going to, I have quite a few here. I have beefsteak, a little sweetie, and I already have some in my pile over here. We decided we're going to try to pare down how much we grow as far as tomatoes. I have zucchini. I may try growing a few of these. I'm not sure yet. Organic greens, I am not doing those. No, on the cucumbers, the sweet chocolate peppers, that is a definite. I have a whole lot of spinach here, and I am definitely going to grow spinach. The tomatoes, no. We have more pumpkins here. That's where we won't need those. Let's see, sweet banana peppers, we won't be using those this year. More cherry tomatoes, I don't know if you can see those there. Jalapeno peppers, I don't think we'll be needing any of those. Red acre cabbage though, well, we're keeping that out. And then serrano pepper, won't be using those. So, that so far that I can tell are all of the seeds other than the ones on my desk, and I won't go through those because those are already a yes, definite I'm going to be growing. A lot of these plants that I'm growing in my garden are going to be growing a couple each, not very many. I'm also narrowing down how many containers and bags that I have so I can have everything separated, and then come this fall I will have everything separated more into flowers and what kind of vegetables they are. So let's see, let's get into more nitty gritty here. I really probably should do this as a separate video. We'll go through some of these. I have tomato pineapples, definitely have to have those. Some beefsteak, definitely have to have some of those. The sweetie tomatoes, those are amazing. These, I believe, yeah, these are tiger stripe. I've had them for a long time. When I grow them, we will have to see. These are also tigerillas. We'll have to see if they might come up. I have some more beefsteak here. Some more pineapple. So obviously there's going to be a lot of these that I'm not going to grow except for just maybe 2 or 3. One for the seeds, and then the rest of them just to eat. I haven't got any paste tomatoes, so I may have to do that to be able to can tomatoes. I have the big rainbow tomato that obviously is going to be a one to eat and then one to grow seeds. Barry's Crazy Cherry, same thing. The purple tomatillos. Cossack pineapple ground cherry. Never had those, never tried them. I'm going to try them this year. The chocolate cherry tomatoes, and then Brad's atomic grape. Now last year I only got 1 or 2 of these tomatoes that actually came out, and I've got seeds from it somewhere, I think. I'm not sure. And if I do, I'm going to break those out and use those to see if there'll be a difference in those seeds as well as what I grow from the actual true seed. Let's see. I am definitely going to grow some of the pumpkins. I have had these loofah sponge seeds for a good while. We'll see if these actually germinate, and if they do, we will bring those up. I took these out of a store-bought cantaloupe or one from a local farmer's market. I do not remember, but they are from, looks like 2016. So we'll see if these germinate, and if they do, I will let y'all know how those go. Let's see. I have something called the Paradovic sunflower, the Evening Sun sunflower, and a Lemon Queen sunflower. I do love sunflowers, but my birds also seem to love them as much as I do. I'm going to be trying the Long Island Brussels sprouts. I have tried these in the past with not much success. I have some red romaine lettuce, and then I do have quite a few. Like I have the Paris Island romaine. I have that here as well, and then I have iceberg lettuces. I think that's the only kinds of lettuces that I have, and a butter crunch lettuce. And I plan on us having plenty of green lettuces and greens for the winter time. Red acre cabbage, as well as I had over here the Copenhagen cabbage, the broccoli Bell Star. What is this? Calabrese broccoli. This here is, I do not remember, Snowball. We have Tropic Giant Hybrid cabbage. Sorry if you're not seeing it right away. These are American Purple Top Rutabagas. These are two, and then the kohlrabi. I've never grown these, but I've heard they taste amazing. I want to try that. I have green onions that I'm going to be growing. We like them, but my daughter likes them even more. I'm going to be trying some Detroit red beets, radishes, and then I will bring the rest of them